Welcome to the PostMD Analytics Tableau server, where we host the Elentra EPA dashboards for competency-based medical education. During this session, you will learn how to log in to the Tableau server and view your dashboards. To log into the PostMD Analytics Tableau server, use the following link and your user ID. If you were provided with a direct link, click on that link and you will be taken straight to your dashboards. However, you will still have to enter your user ID. If you do not have your user ID, please contact the Elentra Help Desk at mededhelp.postmd@utoronto.ca. When you log in using the PostMD Analytics Tableau server, you will have to click on the project folder. In this case, you will click on Sample Dashboards, then on the Workbook. Then you will select one specific view. Here you have 8 different views, and we will select the first view called the Methodology Dashboard. At the top of the Elentra EPA dashboards, you will see the tabs with the name of each dashboard, such as the Methodology Dashboard, the EPA Reference Dashboard, the Completion Rate SSE Dashboard. The first tab, called the Methodology Dashboard, gives you an overview of the report, including source of data and the variables used in the report. At the bottom of the screen, you will find the program name and reporting period. If you require any assistance, please do not hesitate to contact mededhelp.postmd@utoronto.ca. Thank you.